Photoshop has introduced new parametric filter. In this tutorial, you will discover this exciting filter, which are available exclusively in Photoshop Beta version 25.1. These filters will blow your mind. Our first effect is the duotone effect. Just go to Filter, then Parametric Filter, and click on Duotone Filter. Now you can play with the strength and color to make your image look amazing. Now you can apply this effect instantly. Our second famous effect is the Sakurai photo effect. Just go to Parametric Filter and select Sakurai photo filter. Choose a high resolution for better results. You can change how much damage and scratches you want by moving these sliders. Now you can easily apply this effect without wasting time on texture. Now, applying the oil pen filter has become super easy with Parametric Filter. Open Parametric Filter and click on Oil Paint Filter. You can also choose medium, high or ultra resolution for better results. Pick your preferred style. Fine-tune the effect by adjusting the shadows, highlights, and mid-tone stroke sliders. Let's take a look at before and after. It's looked amazing. Let's quickly apply the glitch effect. Just open a Parametric Filter and select Glitch Effect. Also choose your preferred style and resolution. You can also fine-tune the effect with the glitch density and intensity slider. Now this is the before and this is the after. You can also apply color grading with a color parametric filter. Just choose your desired color. You can also fine-tune the colors using the blending slider. Now this is the before and this is the after. At the end of the tutorial, we will apply the half-tone effect with the parametric filter. I hope you will love this new Photoshop feature. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And thanks for tuning into this video.